Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this .NET interview series, the next question that we will discuss about thread versus task. In fact, most of the .NET developers they can't give the different answer whenever the interviewer asks about what is the difference between thread versus task and which is the best to use in our .NET Core applications. So this is why I thought I should create the video on this topic, or nowadays this topic is also becoming trending nowadays because every developer thinks that like uh, threads and tasks are the similar things, but it is not like this. Okay, or I will explain you this thing what is the differences between threads versus task. So we have uploaded three videos on the .NET interviews, or we got a lot of response from you, or most of the .NET developers they are watching this video for the interview preparations, or they love our videos as well. So if you are watching this video for the first time, so I just want to request that please watch this video till the end so that you will get to know how much important this content is for you or for your upcoming interviews as well. Or guys, I just want to request you please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, to colleagues, to network as well, and hit the like button. So let's see that what is the threads versus task. Okay, so the first topic that we will discuss about threads. Okay, or threads thread in ASP.NET Core, or so first you should know thread is a low level operating system construct. Okay, so it means it always it is directly related to your operating system, or whenever you try to use thread in your ASP.NET Core, so it means you are creating a response, you are running the request on a separate thread, or it means that you are increasing the and you are using the thread pool unnecessarily as well. So let me show you that, let me write it for you. Okay, or guys, please now please note down all the points that I am writing here about the threads versus task as well. So the first point is it is directly related to your operating systems, or it is a very high, it is a very heavy weight as for your applications as well, or it blocks it always blocks a worker thread while running. So this is a very dangerous thing in your application if you are using the thread, or this is, and I don't know why most of the developers thinks that the threads and tasks are the similar things. No, no guys, it is not like as I already told you that thread is directly related to your operating systems, or it is very heavy weight, and it always blocks your worker thread while they are running. Or let me show you that how to create the thread in your application, so that you will get to know about the threads as well. You don't you should know about how to create the threads. Okay, so now let's create the thread. So thread.sleep, I will now this thread will sleep for 3 seconds. I'm trying to block the thread for the 3 seconds. Okay, after that what I'm trying to here, I'm just printing the results hello from Rohan, or this is the message that I want to print, or just to start this thread right now. Or in this scenario, you will see that the first it will wait for the 3 seconds. After that, it will print the results. But guys, trust me, this is not a good practice. Or whenever you, or when if you want to make your application scalable, along with that asynchronous as well, so thread is not a good idea to implement in your applications. Or we always know that in our application we always have the limited thread pool size, or this is why I so this is why it causes scalability issue in your applications as well. So like this is not a recommended practice in your application, or if you are trying, like if you are using this thread in your application, so like just stop using this thread in your application, otherwise it will kill your application by blocking the other threads. So the like what are the problems with the threads? Okay, so like you, so first thing is always like it always like it blocks your request threads. Okay, these are some key points that I, or like your pool may face the like starvation. Like you, like it can be like your thread pool will face in like starvation, exhaustion. So like there are a lot of things that you will feel around the threads. Okay, or please guys trust me, or like along with that it will give you the poor performance on your application. Like this is the like it can make the bad impact on your performance as well. So this is the few tweaks, few things regarding the threads that you should know, or whenever your interview will ask you about the thread, so simply just you have to deny that like it always kills your performance of your application, of your APIs as well. And if you are using threads somewhere in your application, so like it can be like it can make trouble in your applications as well. So this is why like you should always avoid using the thread. Now this time to discuss about the task, or task is a very famous thing nowadays, or the best replacement of the threads that I must say it is a task. Like a task always represents asynchronous work, or usually runs on a thread pool, or like whenever you want your like your request should run asynchronously on the thread. So this is the best thing that you can add in your APIs, or you should always make your actions, your APIs in the task action. Okay, so let me write you for few things. Okay, so like if you want your application should work asynchronously. Okay, sy and async. So like you should always go with the task. Okay, or like nowadays, or like it is a very lightweight in size. Okay, along with that it is managed by ThreadPool. So like these have a very few things that you will like the few things that can make you impressive performance as well. Along with that, like it always like I must say it is a non-blocking when used with the async await keyword. Okay, async await keyword. Okay, like whenever you you define your actions in a task. So, so suppose like you are using entity framework or some kind of DB operations, and if even you are calling the third party APIs using the HTTP client, so in such scenarios you have to use sync await keywords, or if you want like more efficient performance on this API. So this is the good practice. Like whenever you want to like work with the task in your applications as well, or this is a very good thing that you should always work with it. Okay, so here you see that how to work with the threads. Okay, now let's do this thing with the task as well. So like what I am trying to do here, suppose I am doing the same thing here, but we are doing with the task and await keyword, or simply I will just I'm just trying to uh, line or hello from Rohan. So this is the things that you like that you should know about the threads versus uh, task. So both the things look similar, but in terms of performance, in terms of CPU usages, in terms of thread pool starvation, so you will see the major differences in such scenarios. Or you should always prefer the task as compared to the threads. Or as I already told you earlier in this video, like if you are using threads in your applications manually, so please stop this thing right now, right here. Or if or there is, because threads always make impact on your operating system as well, so this can cause your trouble in your application. Okay, now let me write for few differences as well. You can think about the threads versus task. Now let's do few tweaks that you should know always remember in your mind while you are giving the interview. So if you talk if you talk about the task, okay, so it always comes the consumption of the resources cost is very low. Okay, along with that, it never blocks your threads as well. Okay, so no blocking. And please keep this thing in your mind. And if you want to make your application scalable, so this is the good thing. If you are using if you are using the task in your application, okay, if you are trying to make actions in the task. Okay, now if you want, it has the excellent scalability power as well. Task is the ASP.NET Core friendly as well. So ASP.NET Core friendly. Or along with that, if I tell you, if you want, along with that, it has the inbuilt exception handling. So whenever any exception occurs, so it always handle your exception automatically, and you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, or and if you or the it has the cancellation power as well. Okay, it has the very easy way to manage the cancellation in terms of task. But if you're talking about the threads, so it has the high resources cost as well. Or threads always blocks your threads. Okay, along with that, if you are talking about the scalability, so this is not a good idea if you go with the threads. Or threads is not compatible with the ASP.NET Core. Or it has no any if you want to handle exception, so you have to do manually as well. Okay, it has no any inbuilt exception handling properties task. So these are few things that you should know about the the task versus threads. Or there are few, let me write you the few real life examples so that you can answer to your interviews as well. Okay, when you should avoid threads, and when should you use task. So threads always avoids in the like in your APIs. Okay, if you are trying to get your results through through the threads. Okay, so this is not a good idea. If you have CPU Hive CPU uh, bound uh, work. Okay, and along with that, entity framework related things. So you should always uh, avoid to use the threads. Okay, or you should instead of it, you should use task here. Okay, so these are the few things that you should know always about the threads versus tasks. So I hope you get to know idea about what are the differences between threads versus tasks. Or along with that, you should keep this thing in your mind while you are creating the APIs and we are working on the projects. Okay, so like if you are using the thread, so simply just you have to avoid using this thing right now right here. So if you love this content, if you love this video, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well. Or guys, there is a one thing that I bring for you where like finally we are available on TopMat, or if you want one-to-one mentorship on the .NET interviews, or along with that, like if you are seeking the one-to-one mentorship regarding your .NET career, and if you are like a student or like a mid-level or junior level .NET engineer, or if you are seeking any kind of the guidations related, so like I am available on TopMat, or we will and I will give you the one-to-one mentorship on the Google Meet, Zoom meeting, or any video platform. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, if you want any mentorship from me, so just book your session now, or there are few seats are available. Or along with that, we have the if you want, and we have the discount coupon for you. Just you have to our coupon code is Rohan 10. So this, after using this coupon code, you will get a 10% discount on this price as well. So don't get delay. Start and book your session right now, right here, or in this session. In this in this session, I will guide you about like how to crack the interviews, or I will give you the few tweaks that you should know. Always remember, or I will give you the guidance regarding like whenever interviewer trying to make you in the preps. Okay, so I will guide you like how to get out from the trip as well, or like how to reply in the interviews as well. So there are a lot of things that you should know about the interview preparations. Okay, so if you want any mentorship from me, so just go book your session right now, or I'm available for you as well. Or yeah, or guys, there is one thing that I want to tell you guys, on our YouTube channel we have crossed around let me see like how many members. We have crossed 759 subscriber our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, but we have to grow more and more this year. I just want, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or around 85% .NET developers haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel. So all of them, I want to request you that please subscribe to this our YouTube channel, or so that our content will reach to the maximum audience like you, who wants to become .NET developer, and who are dreaming to be work in their dream companies. So thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.